Hey there, Wealth Walkers. Alex here, and today I'm going to reveal an incredible hidden platform that lets you earn $2.48 every 3 minutes just by watching videos online. I discovered this secret website last month, and it's completely changed my perspective on making money online. Stay tuned until the end. I'll reveal the exact platform name and show you how to multiply your earnings by 5 times or more. Let's dive right in. This exclusive platform offers 2 amazing ways to earn. 1. Watching videos like ads, movies, and TV shows. 2. Referring friends. You get $1, they get $5. A total win-win. The best part? You'll get $5 instantly just for signing up. Once you hit the minimum threshold, you can transfer your earnings to your bank account, PayPal, or even Gcash. This special platform has partnered with over 1,500 brands, ensuring a constant stream of new videos for you to watch and earn from. But before I show you how to access it, if you're new here, welcome to WealthWalk. I'm Alex, and on this channel, I share the latest money-making strategies, tips, and tricks. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new ways to boost your income. Alright, let's get started with setting up your account. You'll need to enter first name, last name, birthday, gender, email address, password. Once you tick the captcha box and create your account, you'll see $5 instantly credited. Pretty amazing, right? Now let me show you how to multiply that money. When you click the play button on a video, an ad will pop up. Just close it and hit play again. Here's the golden secret. You don't need to watch the entire video. 34 seconds is all it takes. Just keep an eye on the countdown timer. When those 34 seconds are up, click complete. Another ad might appear. Close it and click complete again. You'll see a success message saying you've received 61 cents. Refresh the page and boom, your balance jumps to $5.61. Here's a pro tip that most people don't know. Keep a separate browser tab open with your account page. Every time you complete a video, quickly refresh that tab to see your earnings update in real time. This keeps you motivated and helps track your progress. Also, I recommend using the Chrome browser for the smoothest experience. Some users have reported earning bonuses for consistent daily logins when using Chrome. And here's another insider secret. The best time to watch videos is early morning, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. your local time. Why? Because that's when new videos are usually uploaded, giving you first access to the highest paying ones. I've tested different times throughout the day, and morning sessions consistently earn me about 20% more than evening sessions. Repeat this process for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here's the catch. You can only watch 5 videos every 24 hours. But don't worry. I've got a strategy to maximize your earnings that will blow your mind. Before I reveal that, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to WealthWalk if you haven't already. In the comments, I want you to type this affirmation: I am worthy of financial abundance and success. This will help eliminate any limiting beliefs about money and wealth. Now back to making money. The key to earning more is creating multiple accounts. For example, with 5 accounts you can earn. Account 1, 61 cents plus 32 cents plus 47 cents plus 52 cents plus 56 cents equals $2.48. Account 2, $2.48. Account 3, $2.48. Account 4, $2.48. Account 5, $2.48. Total, $12.40 in just a few minutes. Don't have multiple email addresses? No problem. Here's a bonus tip. Use the same email address with slight variations. For example, if your email is written as alexwealth@gmail.com, you can use a.lexwealth@gmail.com, alex.wealth@gmail.com, alexw.elth@gmail.com. But let me share some advanced email tricks I've discovered through testing. You can also add plus signs and numbers like alexwealth+1@gmail.com, alexwealth+2@gmail.com, alex.wealth+a@gmail.com. The beauty of Gmail is that it treats all these variations as the same address. Every notification, payment confirmation, and bonus alert will land safely in your main inbox. I've personally tested this with over 20 variations, and it works flawlessly. Just remember to keep a note of which email variations you've used. I recommend creating a simple spreadsheet to track them all. Pro tip: create a separate folder in your inbox labeled Earnings and set up a filter to automatically sort all these notifications. This makes it super easy to track your earnings across multiple accounts. To earn even more, let's talk about referrals. Go to My Account and select Referral. You'll earn $1 for every person who signs up using your link. Now, let me share some ninja tricks to get massive referrals. Head to Facebook and search for Make Money Online. Filter the results to show public groups. Join these groups and create posts like this. I made $80 from this site just by watching ads. It's totally free. Comment info below and I'll send you the details. Add a screenshot of your earnings as proof. Post this in multiple groups and you'll see the referrals roll in. Aim for 20 signups a day and you could be making an extra $600 a month just from referrals. To withdraw your earnings, click the Withdraw button and choose your preferred method. Western Union, minimum $100. PayPal, minimum $80. WebMoney, minimum $80. Payoneer, minimum $80. Once you reach the minimum threshold, set up your account details and cash out. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. This amazing platform is called winhub.com. Yes, you heard it right. winhub.com is your ticket to earning easy money online. I've personally tested it and can vouch for its legitimacy. Let's recap the key steps. 1. Sign up at winhub.com, link in description. 2. Watch 5 videos daily, 34 seconds each. 3. Create multiple accounts to multiply your earnings. 4. Use the email trick for easy account creation. 5. Leverage Facebook groups for referrals. 6. Withdraw your earnings when you reach the minimum threshold. Now let me address some common questions you might have about winhub.com. Is this method legal? The answer is yes, WinHub is a legitimate platform that partners with brands to distribute their content. However, always make sure to read and comply with the terms of service. How much time do I need to dedicate to this daily? If you're using 5 accounts, you'll need about 15 to 20 minutes per day to watch all the videos. Can I do this on my mobile phone? Absolutely. WinHub is mobile friendly, so you can earn on the go. What if I don't reach the minimum withdrawal amount? Keep at it consistently. Even if you only use 1 account, you'll reach the minimum withdrawal amount within a few weeks. Is there a limit to how many referrals I can have? WinHub doesn't set a limit on referrals, so the more the merrier. Remember, Wealth Walkers, success doesn't happen overnight. Set a daily reminder on your phone to complete your WinHub videos. Consistency is key to seeing real results with this method. I encourage you to take action right now. Head over to winhub.com and start earning money online. Don't forget to share your results in the comments. Your success stories inspire our entire community. For those looking to level up even further, my next video will reveal how to earn $12 per video watch. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching, Wealth Walkers. Your financial future starts at winhub.com. This is Alex from WealthWalk signing off. See you in the next video.